Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at our 25 chicken rotisserie machine. Okay, so this is going to be a 25 chicken rotisserie machine. Brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Okay, now this is going to have 5 levels. Each level has capacity of 5 chicken. You have adjuster for the cooking, separate adjuster for each level. You also have separate adjusters or switches here for the rotation. This is an automatic rotation system. You also have your light and fan switches located on the front of this unit. You have glass display doors on the front. Also provided here is a regulator for the gas, as well as a propane conversion kit and your user manual. So for this unit, you can either use this for natural gas or propane. It is already set up for natural gas, but if you want to go ahead and use propane, you can do that with the conversion kit. Now, measurements for this unit, you're looking at a width of 47 inches. Your depth, you're looking at 19 inches. And the overall height, you're looking at a total of 43 inches high. Okay, the unit is going to be certified by the health department, and you can locate that certification on the side sticker on this unit. Also located is both your fans for this unit, as well as your BTU. Okay, so you have your gas entry located on the back for this unit, as well as electric plug. This is a standard US plug, runs on 110 volt. This plug is for your rotation, obviously, for your rotation function. If you follow me back to the front, I want to go ahead and measure the work area for the inside. Your work area is 36 inches for the work area. Okay, so this is going to be 25 chicken rotisserie machine. If you're interested in one of these units, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information regarding this unit on the website, including the price. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this exact unit, you can also give us a call and we can help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.